Okay, assalamualaikum to the Katrina. Today we'll learn how to make a plant. Let's start now quickly.
Are you in the ancient history?
Hurry a little bit
So go back.
to do a little bit things. Now I had a little bit time to make a video. Now let's do like this, and like this. Then get it from here, not from down, like this, like this, like this. Looks a little bit beautiful, but still now I'm making it. Don't think it's beautiful now. I'm still making it.
Pause for a second.
Okay? Now I'm making it goodly. I am making it. No, I hope this is good now. No, but I know the expert of making this, okay? Now I don't have to send this on YouTube. I had just shown it to my friends. So now don't worry still. It's a little bit good now. I'm gonna put the expert now. Actually I'm doing a laptop, not by myself, by a pencil. Yeah, because no, I'm not doing it. I don't worry, I don't have to do the full explanation. Now we have to do it. It's so easy actually. If you will try it, you can try it by you can write it anywhere, you can do it anywhere. It's easy. Easy drawing too. First time I actually am making a drawing. One second, I'm making it. Okay, I am writing here our plans. Now, let's go for the ground. Okay, now let's make a straight line. Wait 1 second. Okay. Okay. I am doing it. This is the ground. Actually, I did a mistake. I did not have to put the 2 lines on. Actually, my cousins are here and they are laughing.
I don't want my voice to get in the background. I'm gonna kill you.
Now, don't worry. I don't want to put it in the YouTube. I just want to show it to my friends, like my Masi and whatever. Not in those stuff.
Show me what are you doing or interested in?
Nothing.
So you draw in this stuff, right?
Sometimes here, sometimes no.
Can I do it too?
So once again, please, I'll do. Once again, you can't. You will.
No,
I will just put one new page for you.
Just stop this.
Okay, I'll pass it. Okay. Now, sorry, it takes a little bit time. Oh, I'm taking the eraser. I'm just take a marker and do it. Okay. Now we have to make the roots, okay? The roots are important for the plant. Now the last we'll color. Wait, I'll do it a little bit down here. This here, their roots anywhere you want. Anything now, the roots. Now, the important thing is what we have to do now is to color. Nothing then to color. The first, we will take the fill. Okay? Now, the center one, we'll put it on blue and then paste it like this. And now, we'll do a little fun. We'll do like this. We'll do these colors. Like it's colorful. Can somebody with colorful? This and this colorful. Flower colorful. Let's make this. Good. This will be red. And this will be like this. Okay. Now the wood. Now the wood. The wood importantly should be brown. Let's get it brown. Now the wood is brown, I said. Not this, let's do Control Z. Oh, actually I have to do this. So let me get this.
That's good.
What stupidness is happening with this?
See? Who's there?
Okay, don't worry. Now I don't want this. Let's do Control Z again. Control Z. Control Z, Cody. Control Z. What is not happening? Control Z. Oh, thank you. Now let's get the black color, please, and put it a black. What is happening to this? Oh, it's fill. Let's do marker. Let's do it like this. Let's make a little outline of this because I did another color. It's not using that for fill. So I think I'll go a little. Okay, I'll do the part. Let's see.
आइस्ता देखा ये फोटो
Fill actually. To fill. Ah, good. Okay. Now let's go to the scenery now. Let's do the fill like this. This is the
अरे मेरे को लगा वहाँ मस्जिद में एक जगह
do like this. Now what can do like this? If somebody made a stupid plant that has roots red color, never. That's excellent. But I made it like a red color.
That means you are stupid, isn't that?
Yeah.
I was joking, but I still made it.
I'm joking.
Listen, now leave this. Should we do this? Now let's do something in PowerPoint. Okay? Now the next lecture is to do something in PowerPoint. Now in PowerPoint there's a lot of things to do. Now let's do a little typing. You know, what can we do? Let's type. Now I hope it is getting even big, isn't it? So let's do bye bye. Okay, now bye bye. See you next time. Until next time, Masalama.